Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make brownies very easy full guide. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees F, grease an 8x 8-inch pan, and gather butter, sugar, eggs, cocoa, flour, and salt. Melt butter, stir in sugar, beat eggs one at a time, then mix in cocoa and flour until just combined. Fold in optional nuts or chocolate chips, pour batter into pan, and bake 25 to 30 minutes until a toothpick shows moist crumbs. Warm and cozy, this step shows mixing wet and dry ingredients with care. Start by whisking 1/2 cup melted butter with 1 cup sugar, then add 2 eggs one at a time. Sift 3/4 cup flour with 1/2 cup cocoa and a pinch of salt, then fold into wet mix until streaks disappear. Avoid overmixing to keep brownies fudgy and dense, and practice once to adjust for your oven's heat. Quick recommendation and a friendly ad. If you like reading while brownies bake, consider the new Kindle Paperwhite for cozy kitchen reads. It has a glare-free display and long battery life, perfect for recipe scrolling and relaxing between steps. It pairs nicely with a warm mug and a gooey brownie. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Keep it simple with timing and testing to nail fudgy brownies. Bake at 350 degrees F for 25 to 30 minutes, checking at 20 minutes to avoid overbaking. A toothpick should show moist crumbs but not raw batter. Edges will pull away slightly from the pan. Let brownies cool in the pan about 15 minutes before slicing into squares so they set and hold clean edges for serving. Rotate the pan halfway through baking for even browning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.